Please welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is about education and entertainment. And today we are going to talk on how to use Telegram. Please stay tuned. What you need is your mobile phone, your PC, and your well-connected internet. Okay, let's go, guys. First, you should go to Google Chrome, then press enter, then it will come. After that, you go to the search area, type Telegram web. Telegram web. I have been okay, Telegram web. Make sure it is as it is in your cell phone app. Telegram, here it is, guys. There is a lot of options, so make sure you choose the first one, which is Telegram web from Telegram.org. Then you click. Okay, it goes directly to the Telegram page, but it comes with a message which say that please choose your country and enter your phone number. It means that when you choose a country, it will come with a code. Every country has a code. Mean that Telegram web can be used anywhere, and you can access your Telegram account to your computer through Telegram web without having an app. So let's go, guys, let's go. For my case, my country, when you click here, you see a lot of lists, and there is a search area there. You can write the name of your country. For my case, my country is Tanzania, so I'll write down TA, then here it is. As you can see, guys, there is Tanzania, and the phone number you have to write down your phone number. Okay, after that you press next. After that you press next. Then it will ask you, is this phone number correct? Then if it is correct, you press OK. After that you get a okay. This is the number I'm using, and if your number you put down there it's incorrect, you can go to edit phone number here, then you can edit and put the correct one. And then there's a message down here which stated that we have sent you the code to the Telegram app on your other device. Mean that you want to access Telegram web on your computer, and the other device which you are using your Telegram is your phone. So you're supposed to go to that other drive or other device so that you can access that code. Okay, for my case, this is my other device. As you can see, this is my other device. Then you scroll down to get the Telegram app. Here it is, and you see the message from Telegram team. As you know, it's pop up here, then you open it. I've been using Telegram web a lot, so that's why I have a lot of messages from Telegram. Then you have to look the current one. The current, for my case, this one. The current message from Telegram is this one, guys. So I should put that code in order to proceed with the process. 7. Okay, as you can see, it has already opened in your computer. But while they have sent you the code, they send you the message that do not give this code to anyone, even if they say they are from Telegram. Guys, take this note serious. don't take it for granted. They know what they are doing. And after entering into Telegram account with your PC, then the Telegram team send you another message notifying you that there is another device which has been using your account. So if it is not you, please notify them, and if it's you, then you can proceed. As you can see, mine is here. We have detected a new login account from new device on here. They tell you everything. Okay, so this is how you use Telegram web, guys. And after that, you can do anything you want. If you want to share files with your friends, if the file is big and your file is in your computer and you want to share it with somebody else, then you go and you find the person you want to share the file with. For my case, I want to share a file with Raina. Then I go to that page. There's a send file down here, and this is send media. Okay, if you want to send file, there's a button for files, and if you want to send media, you go to camera icon and it shows itself. But for my case, I want to send videos, so this is the main media. I go direct to media. Okay, I'll choose the media I want to share with, then I will send it. Okay, for instance, I want to share this one. Okay, you choose that media you want to share with the person you choose, then you press open. Okay, it will show up on your screen, mean that it will be uploading itself into the page of that person which you want to send that file. Okay, guys, after doing that, after sending that file, then you have to remember to log out on your account. Don't let it open. After sending the files, you need to log out into your account. Don't let it open, because this is a personal account and you are using to access files from your computer so that you can have them into your phone or whatever area you want to access them. So you should go to this three line there, Telegram, then there's three line, then you click there. It will show you new groups, contact, settings, Telegram, FAQ, and about. So you go to setting. Okay, here it is, as you can see, setting. Then you scroll down, you'll find logout. Here it is. I'm logging out. It will ask you again, are you sure you want to log out? Then you press log out. Okay, you are safe now. You're safe. See, nobody can access your account anymore. And for that, thank you so much for watching.